Turning now to the forecast, you're taking a live look at Freedom Boat Club up in Lake Norman. Oh, never mind. A live look over uptown Charlotte. Still a beautiful day out there. Meteorologist Chris Mulcahy joins us now with all the details on your Father's Day forecast. Now we were looking at Lake Norman, Chris.
It's a 2-for-1 sale.
That's right.
Fantastic. And do you know what? Let's just show all the cameras. Dallas, Speedway, Monroe, Kannapolis. Now we've given you 6 examples about how beautiful it is. However, looks can be deceiving because that beautiful blue sky is not really producing too many clouds. Today overall is going to be a sunny day. Mostly sunny is the lowest status that we're going to have for our cloud cover. But that's also allowing all that solar radiation to hit the surface. We had more clouds yesterday, but it was still enough to get to 90 degrees. Yesterday officially was the 15th latest 90-degree day that we have in Charlotte history. That's the first 90 that we've had for the year, and this also matches 2017, which coincidentally to be tied was also on June 13th, so it's been a minute. 93 degrees, that's a forecasted high today, so this will be day 2 of 90 degrees, and we'll hit the lower 90s again tomorrow. 81 degrees in Boone, so if you want a break from the heat by at least 10 degrees, just go up to the mountains, and if you're in the mountains, good for you. You're the best feeling spot we have here on the map. And for our afternoon forecast, it's sunny to mostly sunny all afternoon long. And once you hit 90 at 2 p.m., you realistically rock the lower 90s until 7 p.m. Usually once you get to about 7, 8 o'clock, it's been feeling much better. Well, it takes a while for us to cool down. And we do have a little disturbance here. It's trying to show a little bit of rain. We're still in the dry bar status, so I don't think you're going to see any rain showers. The atmosphere's been trying over the last couple of days. Conditions just aren't favorable. 71 degrees tonight, so it's going to be a very warm and muggy start to tomorrow morning. 66 on Father's Day morning. 70 on Monday, but you can see the clear example here that it's pretty much either side of 70 going forward. It's Father's Day weekend. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I'll say it to you in advance, even though you're in Massachusetts. It's 92 degrees for tomorrow, mostly sunny skies again, but we're expecting more clouds heading into your Sunday. That's also going to be the coolest high of the week, which is kind of crazy to say that 89 is the coolest high because think about it. Before yesterday, 89 was our ceiling. Now it's our floor, where we range 89 to 93 degrees over the next several days. Tomorrow, hour by hour, you can see at one point I think it does turn partly cloudy during the middle of the afternoon. 90 feels more like 92, 93. And for your Father's Day highs, ranging about the mid to the upper 80s from Hickory down to the Charlotte area. Some areas could still hit that 90-degree point. Here's a better look at your Sunday. You can see more clouds starting to billow here and there. Still going to see a decent amount of sunshine, especially east of I-77. Here's that slight rain chance. I think this is really the best rain chance that we've had for about a week. Seeing decent amount of showers around Greenville, so very spotty activity west of I-77, but I don't think it's really going to be ruining most of your Father's Day plans. And looking ahead, we're back to that dry status most of next week, but then by next Sunday, heading into Monday, we're going to see a likely chance for rain. Now that brings me to our next point. See this? This little system right off the Carolinas? Well, it's trying to rotate. It looks like it is trying to turn into its own entity, and that's why the National Hurricane Center has a 20% chance for this to develop into our first named storm. Meanwhile, over near Mexico and Texas, this is a good chance of being our first named storm by later next week. They're saying over the next 7 days has a 50-50 shot of turning into at least a tropical depression, and set could even make landfall just south of the Texas border in Mexico. 89 degrees for Father's Day. After that, lower 90s. Get used to it because they stick around all next week.